Team RAR, it has been 1 year since we totaled this big blue monster truck almost to the date. A year ago, I drove this giant thing into a mud bog, romped on it super hard, and it completely totaled it. The transmission completely blew out. We had to tow this thing out of the mud with an even bigger truck. Once we got it out, we brought it back here to RAR Garage where we could begin the fix, and boy, did this take some time. We had to pull out the transmission completely because it was entirely totaled. We sent it off to get it rebuilt, and we reinstalled it. We also fixed the rear steering, which was broken. The brakes didn't work, the throttle cable was broken, and some other engine work along the way. But today, almost exactly 1 year later from our most viral video ever here on RAR Garage, we think the monster truck is ready to go. I'm about to climb up this thing right now, start it for the very first time in a year. We are going to see this thing run, and we're gonna be driving it out of the garage right here, right now. And I have like literally the biggest smile on my face because I've been dreaming about driving this thing ever since we first totaled it, because I want to conquer that mud bog one more time. We can't live on a fail here on RAR Garage. Oh my gosh, guys, check this out. This is the dash, and we rebuilt a bunch of stuff. Matte 3D printed a shift knob. We got it all labeled. Let's see if this works. Whoa! Is the rear steering working?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's check it out.
Yep.
Look at that. The rear steer works. Okay, so we know it turns. It's got new brakes, but now let's see if we can crank this thing up. This is an old start. It's not cold. It's actually kind of warm out, but it is old. So let's get this thing started and see if it will actually run. So we have to start by turning this on. Yes, it's powering up.
Yep.
And then I guess we just turn the key, right? Am I remembering correctly?
Just turn the key and feel that new throttle cable.
Oh yeah, new brake and, oh, that's the throttle?
Yeah, you can't even feel it anymore.
It's so smooth.
Yeah.
This thing is gonna be a dream to drive. It's gonna be a daily driver.
I'm already plugging my ears because I was getting ready for you to start it.
Okay, you got to give me a countdown on this one.
All right.
This has been a year in the making, and we spent so much money fixing this truck. Let's see if this thing is about to fire up. Okay, here we go.
Make sure you're in park.
Oh, it's not in park.
Yeah.
Yeah, now it's in park. All right, here we go in 3, 2, 1. It started. I barely even touched the key.
It's all reliable.
I even touched it. I'm gonna give it a little gas.
Yeah, pump it a little bit.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's about to start. Come on. You gotta pump the gas. Okay, let's take a break. Yeah, pumping it. All right, let's go for another start. Come on. It's old, she's carbureted, but I think she's about to run for the first time in a year. Come on. Let's keep it going. Gotta warm her up. She hasn't ran for a long time. She might be good. I think this might be it, guys. This might be running. I guess we gotta close the hood. That thing's been open for like a year.
This is the first time this hood is closed in a year.
I literally just said that. If it still works. We are about to drive this thing, guys. I can't believe it. Like, that's actually insane. Ow. It's about to happen. We're about to pull this thing out.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Okay. We got to get ready for this. She's been sitting idling here a few minutes. Looking at the gauges, it looks like we are up to temperature. We're at 190. If it gets any hotter, it's going to start overheating again, which can be a problem with this truck. I'm not sure how fixed that part is. And everything else is completely untested.
Now, this truck is fixed but there's a lot of stuff that's untested. All new brakes, all new throttle cable, new transmission. There's a lot of new. We haven't tried out any of it yet, so this could go horribly wrong.
Oh. The brake pedal is going all the way to the floor. That brake pedal just drops all the way down. It's like no resistance on it at all. So it's possible the brakes don't even work. Even though they're brand new, they might need to be adjusted. But I guess there's only one way to find out. I think we're gonna try to drop this thing into gear. And hopefully we don't crash this thing.
Fingers crossed.
Okay, we are in gear. Foot's off the brake. Oh, okay, the brakes did just stop me.
Okay, here we go. It's definitely in gear.
So I think we're good. At least to move. To at least pull it out of the garage for the first time in 1 year, almost exactly to the day.
Oh my gosh. Coming out of the garage for the first time.
We're moving.
It's moving.
Okay, we do need to navigate a lot of toys right out the front here. Matt's not helping me out.
Oh my gosh. So far, so good.
Okay, we're gonna go foot off the brake. We are officially rolling in first gear. I'm gonna give it a little bit of gas. Okay. It's working. I'm taking things so easy right now. I don't want this thing to break.
Look at that. Year of hard work.
Ah, I got the steering wrong. I'm gonna crash.
Just gotta try out the rear steer. Yeah, there we go.
Okay, so I see we want to swing the back end out. We click it that way. Okay, I underestimated our steering ability. We are still gonna crash. We are still about to crash.
All right, does reverse work? That's a good question.
Okay, we are testing reverse for the first time. It's not working. That might be neutral. Ah, that might be reverse. We're doing reverse.
Reverse works.
I'm babying it right now, guys. The rear steer works. I'm gonna bump her up into second. Okay, that's second gear right there.
Look at that. It sure seems promising.
I don't know what Matt's saying. Hopefully nothing important.
We got second gear.
Okay, now we are in drive. Something's not sounding good.
I'm not sure if I've heard third gear yet, but we may have to check the transmission fluid level. It's our first time getting it all warmed up.
We gotta hang on.
Oh boy. It's going pretty fast.
That was a good turn, guys. That was a good turn. give it some gas. Oh, baby. Oh my gosh. Oh.
He's pushing it.
Okay, see if I can make this U-turn. Oh, I can't see his truck. I can't see if I'm gonna hit the ridge line. Okay, this is bad. We're gonna do something a little different here. Oh. Through into reverse. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm all over the place.
It seems like it's working, but I couldn't tell if you got it into third.
Yeah, I didn't romp on it too hard, so I don't know if it went all the way up into 30 either, but everything's feeling good.
Looks good.
It seems like it's working. The brake pedal is super soft all over the floor.
Okay, might need to get more air out of it.
Okay.
I thought I got it all out, but we might just have to get more out.
Yeah, but it seems like it's working really well. How does it look from the outside? Everything seems good?
I mean, it's pretty cool if you just don't look at the wheels.
The wheels are small, yep. That is definitely makes it kind of only partial to a monster truck. But if all the mechanics and the core is there, the last thing we're gonna have to do is put the wheels on.
Yep. They're waiting. They've been waiting there for a year.
Oh, Matt, what is that? Is that the transmission leaking? We had that issue before.
No, everything looks really good. I mean, look in here. This is all nice and dry. Engine is nice and dry. I mean,
The brakes, are they leaking?
let's take a look.
Now that we've driven it a little bit, we need to inspect it and make sure things are okay.
Yeah, they look good. All the fittings are good. Let's look at the back one.
Guys, this is incredible news. The fact that it's rolling again under its own power. It's only taken us a year, but it is our first monster truck.
I mean, the truck's in better shape than it's ever been.
Oh yeah, look at all that new material on here.
Yep. Something's shaving the metal here. See that? I don't know if that's just the brakes. I don't know what else could be hitting it.
Could be wearing in.
Maybe.
Things are looking really good. We need to make this thing look a little bit more like a monster truck, because right now it's looking a little silly with its tiny shoes on.
Yeah.
And surprisingly, it's a lot bigger with the big tires on, but it's harder to climb up and on with the small tires.
Yeah.
So I have to do some really sketchy, like, bouldering basically. And this handle's been used a little too much.
We don't use that handle.
Nope, so you gotta do a little extra climbing just to climb up this thing. To the big tires, we gotta go from these itsy bitsy to the giant 66s. Here we go. Blast off.
Set yourself up with a ladder there to get out.
Yeah, you read my mind. Now we're giving you guys a sneak peek of exactly what we need to do next, which is get one of these tires, well actually all four of them. We gotta get them on, swap them onto here, and so I think we gotta stand them up.
Just pick it up.
Oh my
Come on
gosh.
now, put your back into it.
Oh, I can't move it at all.
Yeah, this is my least favorite thing in the world to do, is put monster truck tires on.
So the weight, it's 800 pounds of rubber.
Yep.
And then the steel rim, I'm not sure.
I think it's roughly, I don't know.
1,000
We're
pounds.
close to 1,000 pounds altogether.
Wait, how do we move these?
We gotta get the skid steer.
Oh. Okay, I can't move these at all. We gotta do it with the skid steer.
Yep.
Oh, my back.
Yeah, careful, man.
Okay, so we have our work cut out for us. We gotta sit up each of these, move them over, jack the truck, put all these on. That's a process.
Yep.
And we're gonna need forklift, hydraulic jack, some safety blocks, a bunch of equipment. But I think we're gonna get that done really soon. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to RAR Garage, the fastest growing automotive channel here on YouTube, doing crazy stuff with monster trucks, old school original monster trucks in mud bogs, make sure you subscribe right now, because in the next video, there's a really good chance we're gonna put our back into it.
Yep.
And get these guys back on Big Blue.
And who knows, maybe we'll smash a car.
Yeah, or total the thing all over again.
Yeah.
RAR Garage out. Woo!